know how this happened.
Uh-oh.
It happened last night.
That's weird. Nothing punctured on it.
Exactly, and the box don't move.
It looks good though. Oh, the box is mounted down?
Yeah, the box is mounted here and then wedged here. So the box ain't going, it don't slide.
That looks good though. But
so,
yeah, it won't do anything to it. It just looks weird. Some people usually get a little suction cup and pull it right out. Or get a heater just to get a little warm and then come right out.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the box is built by Mark the Box Dude out of Ocala, Florida. He's on Instagram. It is right under 6 cubic feet. 45s pressure wedges on the inside. Double baffle. Yep. These are American Base Elite 12s.
Okay.
The box was built at a 27 to 28 hertz tune. It peaks at 143. Peaks at 143 at 26 hertz.
All right, we'll get inside too here. Oh.
eBay 200 amp volt.
It works. All right.
Big 4, 70 amp hour, and then a 170 amp hour in the trunk.
All right. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Side of that rock fill. The rock fill's just on the back.
So you got an amp flip over the other way on the other side. Okay.
Yeah, there's an amp on the back side of the rock fill.
Nice.
That's my bass. Got it.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Let's do it. Do you have any extra batteries?
There's a 170 amp hour gel in the trunk.
That's right, just the one. Yep.
Yeah. So with the let's cool it down a little bit in here. But the Rockville is just on the front speakers. Okay. I originally started this as a real budget build with some Scar SDRs and a what's it called, in a prefab box.
Yeah.
So I ended up having that as my highs and mids amp on the 4 channels, and then another Rockville for the subs.
Yes, sir.
But then I ended up upgrading because I got
custom box.
Yeah, custom box, and then I'm about to have a stunt wall and a stunt deck built.
Okay.
That's coming next.
Sweet.
So I'm waiting on a little bit of money. Actually, I'm just waiting on the check.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
So,
looks good.
For what's in here.
Yeah, man.
For what's in here, I'm actually doing pretty good.
Okay.
Just run you a little bit of.
Did you ever get it to see what your peak frequency is, SPL or anything?
I metered on a SPL lab meter, 143.4 on the floor at 26 hertz.
Okay. Oh, so peak and low.
Yeah, because the box is built low.
It's built low.
So I've been wanting to meet you for the longest.
Yes, sir.
And I set myself out today. I said, I'm going to run into Jacob. I'm going to run into Jacob, and we'll get him in my car.
Yes, sir. We got it. Yes,
awesome,
sir, man.
Jake. Pleasure, man.
You
Thank
too.
you so much.
Thanks for watching. You're welcome.
Yeah, man.
Pretty good, man. And he says you're working on a stunt wall next, too?
Yeah, it's going to be 4 8s, 4 6.5s, and 4 horns.
Okay.
It's going to be surrounded. The back seat's coming out.
Yep.
It's going to be flush with the side bolsters, and it's going to come around like this.
Okay, got it. Yep.
I still haven't figured out how I'm going to do the horns because of the depth of the horns themselves.
Oh, it might be too
I
deep.
might have to do the horns down low. So it might be the 4 horns down low, then maybe the 4 8s across the top, and then the 4 6s in between.
Awesome. Yes, sir. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of his system at the Slamfest Audio Show in Tampa, Florida area. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. I like that he has subs back with the port back. A lot of people normally would have subs up, port back, or have subs forward, port forward, or subs forward, port sideways. This is pretty standard for a lot of trunk systems for daily drivers. Quick commentary question is, where do you put your subwoofer and port in the trunk? Majority of the systems I see, I mentioned already, there's like 4 or 5 different options. Looking forward to y'all's suggestions and comments on that. And notice the staging of his speakers and tweeters. I could literally hear all the lyrics on this 3-song demo you're going to hear. And I wish I would have got a little closer look on where the bass amplifier was, but I know it was a work in progress. He made it to the show. Total of 3,000 watts is on these subs, playing in the 20s, so really low frequency. Got some good trunk flex you'll see by the end of the video as well with the 3-song demo. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for daily videos and enjoy this demo.
So let's run you
Yo, it's my time to shine and I'm shining bright. Terrorize the mind, get the crowd hype, make them wanna fight. I'm like I'm strong, like I'm done. Stop the party like somebody got buck, brother walk. I lays it down flat like a doormat. Every state, wherever I pour that. Been guilty, brother, walk up undisputed. Got me taking trips off the Cadillac. Smoking quad, triple wild chicks in the Montreal. Packing many bars, what the heck, grab an RVR. Be the illest owner of my fashion. The hell what people think, watch a brother turn platinum. Yeah, people wanna get down, yeah, suckers wanna battle. Yeah, people wanna get down, yeah, suckers wanna battle. Yeah, people wanna get down,
Digga, first name Rashia. This person had no idea. Just like that, heard it like 3 times. When niggas been dog, stacking wrongs by the eon. Situation, round the way with my women. Looking 50 with the Fendi type linen. We got papers like staples. Niggas think I can take confrontation. Now rappers wanna run up, try to flex muscle on the shorty, try to come up. Rhymes hotter than concrete statues. Roll them all like they paraplegic. I got lyrics for the brain, like it in a new head. Talking about my nickname, got an ego quick. I be that chick, the wrong people all be around to see that.
yeah, people wanna get down, yeah, suckers wanna battle. Hey, what y'all wanna do? Let's cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Yeah, people wanna get down, yeah, suckers wanna battle. Hey, what y'all wanna do? Yeah, people wanna get down.
One more so you can hear a little bit of the higher.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, making panties drip and panels rip. Yeah, this is DJ Rustico's.
Jello Beats.
When I made it rich, I went and bought a Billy, bitch. Boy, it tastes, I feel like give me that and give me this. Bitch, I went and crashed it, don't you fix to hit that shit. You ain't got to tell me, I know niggas envious. Grab the cash for my little bitch, just a hands. Billy plus 150, that's your stash. Pop this shit on Instagram, that's your pass. We got you out in traffic, just don't crash. I got a bag, I'm doing the most. Niggas is lame, I am the goat. They wanna gas, I'm giving them smoke. Jump on the jet, get on the boat. I'm in the yacht, I'm on the dock. Give me dope, oh shit. Run at the top, one drink top, I get ghost. Put it up in the hood, the fuck was that? We still going to supermodels on the back. I ain't with my bitch, go hard and I give her back. And you better send my bitch back with her back.
Definitely lower frequency.
Yeah.
Mid to high 20s and low 30s does really good.
This one right here drops down a little bit lower. This one hits 24 right here.
Tell me what you wanna do.
you, man.
Appreciate you watching.
You know, I've been wanting to meet you for the longest.
Yes, sir.
And I set myself out today. I said, I'm going to run into Jacob.
Yes,
I'm going to run into Jacob, and we'll get him in my car.
Yes, sir. We got it. Yes,
Awesome,
sir, man.
Jake. Pleasure, man.
You
Thank
too.
you so much.
Thanks for
bro.
watching. You're welcome.
Yeah.